Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm checking out my very first Crate Club subscription box. Let's check it out. Alright, so before we get started, no, I am not sponsored by Crate Club, but they did get a hold of me and wanted me to check out this box. And like I already said, this is my very first Crate Club box, so I wasn't really sure what to expect. Alright, so if you're not familiar with them either, let's check out their website here. It says Tactical Survival Box, built by Navy SEALs and Special Operations Forces professionals. Alright, let's go down here. It says all the places they were featured in here. Then we have, alright, here are the boxes. So we have the Captain box, which is $99.99 quarterly. You get a box value of $200, and then it has the annual price there. And then we go down to the General box, which is the one I have right here, which is $399.99 quarterly, value of $700 or so, and annually $1399.99, but the box value is about $2,800, which is pretty awesome. Then it goes down, meet our curators, some former Navy SEALs, Marine Corps, very cool stuff. So that's about it for the website. So let's break into this box. All right, just because of the sheer size of this box, I'm gonna give you guys a nice look at the outside, open it up, then I'm gonna put it off to the side and just take things out one by one because this box is huge. And let me open this bad boy up. And wow, see what we have in here. All right, so right off the bat, I'm probably gonna take this cheat sheet right out, and I'm gonna be looking at that throughout this whole box. Because I'm just guessing I'm gonna need some help with what some of these items are. All right, so first let me just take out this first thing here because it looks familiar, and I'm gonna put this off to the side. And I say this looks familiar because I did do a review on the Millspin COVID key, and I am familiar with this clean key right here. It is copper alloy, and I just call them COVID keys because that's what the Millspin calls their key. And yes, that was one of my most controversial videos that I've done, and I say controversial just based on some of the comments that some of you guys left in there, but I actually am a fan of these copper alloy keys. It limits touching doorknobs and keypads and everything like that while you're out in public, especially with all this nonsense floating around right now. I'll give you guys a nice look at the back of the box here, but yeah, this is pretty cool. All right, and the next thing I just pulled out here is an Olight PL Mini 2 Valkyrie. So I've done a few reviews on Olights, and I am a fan of this company. And I'm not too familiar with this light, but I am aware of it. It does say on the front of the box here, max 600 lumens, and it does have a 100-meter throw. And this is basically a weapons-mounted flashlight. So if your pistol or rifle has a rail, this has a rail adapter right here on the top. And it looks like it's fully adjustable. We have a little latch right here, and then we can move the rail forward and backwards, and then it will lock it back up. And most of the Olights that I own are magnetically charged, and this one is no different. So inside of the box here, maybe on the bottom, yeah, right there we have the magnetized charger. And to charge it, all we want to do is just slap it on there as so, and it starts charging. But actually pulling this guy out of a subscription box is actually pretty surprising. I mean, the last time I remember, these things go for about $90. And I don't have one of these, and Olight, it's a brand name flashlight, so we're off to a good start here. And then next, it looks like we have a Gerber black box, but what's in here? It says GHOSTRIKE fixed blade. So I actually don't know what that is. So let's open this up, and oh, very, very cool. So, oh wow, look at this guy. So it says Portland, Oregon 420HC. So it's the Gerber GHOSTRIKE. Looks like we have a black blade here, and the skeletonized handle is rubberized. And if you look real close, this rubberized handle has a little diamond pattern on it. It actually feels pretty nice in the hand. So I don't own too many fixed blades, so this is actually really, really cool. It comes with this little sheath. This isn't Kydex, so I'm not really sure what this material is, but has a nice little click to it. So because I'm not too familiar with this, I'm gonna grab the cheat sheet and check this out. It says ultralight self-defense knife, has customizable sheath system that offers low profile carry or open carry. The fine edge blade is made from durable 420HC. A compact skeletal frame keeps it light in hand, and a rubber overmold gives it optimal grip. Take it out of the sheath there. It's a 3.3-inch plain edge drop point blade. Like I already said, the steel is 420HC. It does have a ceramic coating. All right, so the sheath is a modular glass-filled nylon sheath. But then it says made in the USA. I thought all Gerber stuff was made in China, but not this one. It's made in Portland, Oregon. So yet again, a pretty solid item getting pulled out of this box here. I am super impressed so far. All right, so here we go. Check this out. Just pulled out a Leatherman. So let's break into this bad boy right here so I can give you guys a nice look at what this is here. And check that out. So I'm gonna take this right out and look at this. It comes with a sheath. So I do own a few Leathermans. I do have the P4, I do have a Wave, and I do have a Sidekick and a Wigman, but I don't have a Skeletool. So we have some needle nose pliers here on the top, a little clip for your belt loops, and this is awesome right here. It does have the interchangeable bit driver, which I do have all the bits because I do have the Wave and it does have the bit driver on there. So this is actually really cool. And then let's close this up and take a look at this blade here. It's really stiff because it's brand new, so there we go. And looking at the cheat sheet here, it does say the steel is 154 cm stainless. So yet again, another quality item coming out of this crate club. Guys, I had no idea that I was gonna be pulling out like Leathermans and Olights out of this box. And this is actually an item that will get some use out of me for work, so this is great. All right, next here, looks like we have a black box that says Bastion. So let's break into this and see what we got here. So open up. Got ourselves a nice little folder. So I'm not familiar with Bastion as a knife company, so let's check out what they have to offer here. So it looks like we have some G10 scales. Look at that, a nice little carbon fiber inlay on the non-clip side there. And it is a flipper, so how well does this flip? Very nice. So what's this blade steel? All right, so we have D2 blade steel. And like I said, it looks like we have G10 scales on this side and maybe stainless or aluminum right here on this side. So looking at the cheat sheet, this is the Bastion BRAZA Custom. Yep, D2 steel, gray G10 with carbon fiber inlays. And what is the material on this side? So yeah, it really doesn't say what the material is on this side, but it's cool. So it has a blade length of 3.75 inches, close length 4.87 inches, overall length 8.25 inches, and weighs 7.7 ounces. So it is a frame lock flipper here, so let's see if it has any kind of half stop. No, it does not. And guys, I'm actually a big fan of D2 as a mid-grade steel. I own a lot of Civivis, and when you're talking D2 steel, the quality that you get for the price, you can't beat it. I'll give you guys a nice close-up of that pocket clip. It feels like it's stainless steel, not quite deep pocket carry. Has about, I don't know, about a 1/4 inch till you reach the top here, but that's not a big deal. But guys, this is actually another nice find in this box. And guys, check this out. The surprises keep coming. I don't even have to open this to know what this is. This is a Dapper D01 special edition. How do I know that? Because I am very, very familiar with Dango wallets on this channel. If you guys have been subscribers of this channel for a long time, you already know that. And the Dapper D01 was actually my very first Dango wallet that I reviewed. And yes, I am a big fan of Dango's tactical wallets. It looks like this one has the black aluminum on the front with Dango's own D-Tex material on the back. And yes, I do like D-Tex as a replacement for leather. It's scratch resistant, it's waterproof. And this special edition is actually really nice. We got the black on black with the black D-Tex right here. I'm a fan of this. And if you guys aren't familiar with the Dapper wallet, we do have a bottle opener on this side, and we do have an attachment point right here that doubles as a glass breaker. And if you guys want to see that very first Dapper D01 review that I did about, I don't know, a year and a half ago, I'll put a link below right in my description box. And guys, I think this goes for about 70 bucks as a special edition right on Dango's website. So this is actually the last small item that was in that box. The last two things that we have are pretty big. And I try to make a conscious effort not to look at what these things were when I was looking at the cheat sheet. We do have a nylon pouch here, and is this a hammock by any chance? Oh my God. So it looks like we have some straps. And guys, hold on, I'm just gonna look at the cheat sheet here. Oh, totally, it says Crate Club Hammock. Made from premium 210T nylon fabric, unique strap design, has breaking strength of 660 pounds. Built-in ultralight waterproof compression stuffed sack, 9 feet long, 4.5 inches wide, and it looks like they give you the carabiners and all the items you need to get this thing hung up. And I'll give you guys a nice close-up of the picture in the cheat sheet here because I don't have anywhere I can actually string this up. I'm not necessarily a hammock guy, but I've always wanted to be a hammock guy. And now I can be that hammock guy. I just have to find 2 trees in my backyard and get this guy up. All right, and the last thing in the box, big ass backpack. So let's break this thing out of this plastic here. And wow, look at this. Holy crap. So this is gonna be kind of hard to get all on screen here. but this is a pretty cool backpack. So it looks like we have some pretty heavy duty padding back here. So I'm gonna give you guys a nice look at this back padding. And it looks like on the bottom we have some shock cord, maybe put some rolled up blankets down there. Let's take a look on the inside here. So that's what it looks like on the inside. We have some compartments here. Right here on this side we have some mesh pockets, and same thing over here. Let's see what this thing is all about here. It says Crate Club Urban Drab 4832. Yep, it says we have webbing throughout the exterior, gives you plenty of area for customization, along with the shock cord, yep, on the bottom for strapping in such gear as blankets, rain gear, jackets. Inside you'll find zippered mesh pockets on each side and a hydration bladder pocket with toggles to secure. So it's a 48-hour bag, 32 liters, so that's what the 4832 means. Sorry guys, I'm not entirely familiar with this type of bag, but this is awesome. So right here on the sides we have a zipper, and we can open it up. Some more mesh pockets right here. We have a couple other pockets on the inside, and it looks like we have the exact same thing on this side here. So this looks like a pretty cool tactical bag. I've actually never seen a bag like this before, so I'm pretty sure I can put this thing to work. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of my very first unboxing of the Crate Club subscription box? I mean, we have big names like Olight and Leatherman. Pulled out a Gerber knife, even a Dango wallet. And even though I've never heard of Bastion as a knife company, I'm pretty impressed with this little frame lock flipper. It definitely wouldn't be an EDC knife for me, but it would make a great beater knife. And then you have items like the hammock and that backpack here. I think they have a nice mix of survival and tactical gear. So what do you guys think? You guys think this is worth $399.99 as a quarterly box? I just did some quick research online, and everything added up right here comes to over 500 bucks. So if you guys are interested in Crate Club, I will leave links below in my description box. And no, like I said before, I am not sponsored by Crate Club. If you guys buy anything through those links, I don't see a dime. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!